Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover brand reputation with Trustpilot, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of brand reputation in today's digital landscape. Recognize that customer reviews play a crucial role in shaping how your brand is perceived. Research Trustpilot and its platform for gathering and displaying customer feedback. Create a Trustpilot account if you haven't done so already. Fill out your profile completely, ensuring it reflects your brand accurately. Encourage your customers to leave reviews on your Trustpilot page. Make it easy for customers to share their experiences by providing direct links or prompts. Monitor your reviews regularly to stay informed about what customers are saying. Respond promptly and professionally to all reviews, whether positive or negative. Show appreciation for positive reviews and acknowledge concerns in negative ones. Develop a strategy to address recurring issues mentioned in negative reviews. Use feedback to improve products or services where necessary. Implement changes transparently and communicate those improvements to your customers. Utilize Trustpilot's tools to showcase your positive feedback on your website and marketing materials. Share testimonials on your social media platforms to enhance visibility and trust. Educate your team about the importance of customer feedback and the role they play in reputation management. Consider creating a customer loyalty program to reward and encourage repeat business. Regularly assess your online reputation and adjust your strategies as needed. Track improvements in your brand's perception over time using analytics tools provided by Trustpilot. Stay committed to maintaining a positive reputation, as it is an ongoing process. Foster relationships with your customers by engaging beyond reviews and encouraging two-way communication. Emphasize transparency and authenticity in all your interactions to build lasting trust. By diligently following these steps, you can effectively recover and enhance your brand's reputation with Trustpilot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.